Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is going to help you if you are organizing the birthday party or small get together at home. I'm sharing that how I decided on the food menu for the party. It's my son's birthday, so I wanted to keep the options which are enjoyed by both kids and parents. Welcome refreshment would be soft drink, juice, chips, tortillas, cookies and chocolate. In snacks, we have small samosas, noodles, spring rolls, and pav bhaji. Once you have decided on the menu, prepare the shopping list. It's always a good practice so that you don't miss out on anything and you don't have to rush at the last moment. So let's start the preparation so I can attend the guest and enjoy the party without any stress. I have 3 big items in my menu: noodles, spring rolls, and pav bhaji. All 3 require pre-preparation a day before. So let's start. Let's check the pre-preparation for bhaji mix. I have roughly chopped potatoes and tomatoes. Give it 5 to 6 whistles. Add water and wait for the whistles. We go on the pre-preparation for spring rolls. So for the filling, I have chopped cabbage, carrot, onion, ginger, and garlic. Now it's a time to add salt, black pepper, white vinegar, and soy sauce. Here we are on the pre-prep for noodles. So water is hot. Let's drop the noodles. Now my noodles are boiled. It's a time to drain and rinse with the cold water. We can also add little oil to keep the strands separated. Here I'm done with filling of spring rolls, bhaji mix, and boiled noodles. On the day of occasion, it will take couple of hours to prepare the dishes. I'm making nice tadka for bhaji mix. Oil is hot. Now I'm gonna add chopped onion. My onions are done. Now it's a time to add capsicum. Added pav bhaji masala. I am adding bhaji mix in the tadka. It is ready. Here's a final tossing of the noodles. I have added carrot, capsicum, onion, soy sauce, vinegar. Now it's the time to add noodles. Here my noodles are ready. My snacks are ready before 2 hours and now I have enough time to get ready for the party. I feel so relaxed and will have good time at the party. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for more notifications. Thank you.